In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money by utilizing the Shopify Bogus Gateway. This is a handy tool for ensuring everything is running smoothly on your online store without risking any of your hard-earned cash. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step so you can confidently test your checkout system. First, you'll want to start by navigating your way to the settings of your Shopify account. You can find this by scrolling to the bottom left corner of your admin panel. Once you're there, click on it and you'll see a range of different options. What you're interested in here is the payments section, so go ahead and select that. Now, you're in the payments area where you'll see a button that says Choose a Provider. This is where you typically set up your payment gateways. For testing purposes, though, you're going to select the Bogus Gateway option. This is a special feature provided by Shopify that allows you to simulate any type of transaction without involving real money. It's perfect for running through how your checkout system works before accepting actual payments from your customers. Once you've selected the Bogus Gateway, simply activate it. This will set your testing environment up for the next steps. With the Bogus Gateway now active, you can proceed to test out transactions just like a customer would on your store. Go ahead and navigate to your store and go through the process of adding a product to the cart and clicking Checkout. When you reach the payment stage, this is where the magic of the Bogus Gateway comes into play. Simply enter the number 1 into the credit card number field. By doing this, the system will emulate an approved transaction. This will let you see what a successful purchase looks like without involving any real financial transactions. If you want to simulate different scenarios, you can do so easily. For instance, if you're curious to see what happens when a transaction is declined, you can enter the number 2 instead. This will allow you to test how your store handles declined transactions and ensure that the correct messages are displayed to customers. Alternatively, typing in the number 3 will emulate a gateway failure. This scenario is vital for testing how your store addresses more serious payment errors and ensuring that your customer support information is accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to test your Shopify checkout using the Bogus Gateway without risking any real money. This is an excellent way to ensure your customers have a seamless checkout experience and that everything is functioning as it should before going live. Remember, thorough testing is key to a smooth-running store and satisfied customers. Keep experimenting, and good luck with your Shopify store.